The tech runner wave that dominated the sneaker world entering 2025 remains a major force, and Nike continues to lead the category with one standout model, the beloved Vomero 5. In a fresh twist, the silhouette surfaces in a striking gym red colorway, blending bold tones with modern metallic energy. Nike leans into its successful formula seen on the iron gray version, signaling that similar makeups may keep rolling out. This edition highlights a gym red base, with matching hits on the quarter cage and outsole, while metallic silver and chrome accents layer in that future-focused edge fans look for in tech runners. For balance, Nike adds its signature sail shade across the midsole, lining, and laces to give the shoe a clean, contemporary finish. Set to drop spring 2026 at $170, the Nike Vomero 5 Gym Red continues the model's momentum, making it one of the most anticipated releases for tech runner lovers and Nike fans heading into the new season.